Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. I have come here in the Joyram Bati. You can see the people are enjoying over here. I have come up with a new video. Go and watch our video. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Here is our part 2 video, watercolor landscape with 2 horizontal. Go and watch our part 1 video where we have shown how to color, what does it mean of landscape with 2 horizontal. Here we are going to see the tree coloring with yellow combination shades. So this much you learned in our previous video, sky, horizontal, land. So here we are going to see the tree coloring. So this is my palettes. I have take my paper and instead of using clip, you should use a cellotape or paper tape. Fold it and paste it like this way with your board, both the corner. If you use clip, you feel disturbed when you are coloring, so better use this, or even you can use clip also. So this way I paste my paper and I have kept in slanting positions, means you have to keep things under your board like this. So this is slanting position. So I have kept my, anything you can keep, I have kept my tape. So this is my palette. If you are right handy, you can keep it on right side, but here, so that you can understand clearly, I'm taking it in my hand, I am holding it in my hand. So this is the palette. You need to give water on your color so that you can easily use your color will be diluted. So let's start with this color. You can see the trees are not in same position, in different positions, so the color will be matter. This is called perspective. There we will apply the color perspective. So take your lemon yellow color, gamboge and yellow ochre. Little bit, the base is yellow, but you have to mix the color with little bit gamboge and yellow ochre. So here I am coloring and you see the how I'm brushing. Look, while we colored the sky, we didn't follow any leaves. We didn't give space for the leaves, because we will color the leaves like our own way. We do it directly with brushings. Now I have taken the scarlet lake, little bit of scarlet lake, so color shade is changed, and I took enough water so that my paper doesn't get dried. While I'm applying the color, the paper should not be dried, otherwise the color will not mix. Look how the color is mixing. I don't have to work hard, or I don't have to work anything for mixing. Automatically it will mix if its water is left enough. So look, the more it is getting down, the shade is getting darker. So for darker shade I am using the scarlet lake. Very simple basic things, and I am giving a stroke like a leaves. Now this is our burnt sienna color, little bit of carmine color, so that color gets darker. Little bit of gamboge, scarlet lake. You can see the main concept, the color has to be darker. Now it is not, now it's looking perfect. So look, you can see the color is darker, so color will be at the bottom of the leaves. This is the down part of the leaves. Light is coming from the left side of the sky, so you can see the right side is darker. Even I am using some strokes on the top also, but not more, little. Maximum dark tone will be applied. Here I am taking again burnt sienna, little bit Prussian blue. You can see little bit of Prussian blue, so that color looks very darker. Little bit of scarlet, little bit of yellow. So you can see the more it is getting down, the color is light and getting darker. So you can see here is also dark color for the bottom. Now take the color a little bit lighter. So I have taken another space because in the top the color should not be look that much of darker. It gradually will be lighter. I hope so. This is the things that looks that there is a wind actually. Some leaves here also, and around the trunk also. Now take little bit of Prussian blue color. So color is looking like a black, but it's not a black. Take little bit of carmine color. Now you not allowed to dry your leaves. Just you need to touch your leaves and you need to color. Now you need a light color. So take little bit of scarlet yellow. The color is looking lighter. Okay. Take much water. Look here I'm using light color. So color is getting lighter. You can see. And the trunk. In the trunk of the tree, the top of the trunk, it is dark color because there is a leaves. So there is a shades is coming. Here is some that our tree looks more real, so just leave some there is some tree lines, branches some here and there, and the down part also. So you can see this type of tree. Now take more dark color. For dark color always take carmine color, red color, Viridian green, Apushian. So that looks dark color. You will not use black color. Black color makes our drawing hard, but you of course need blackish color. So this way we have colored. So this tree is the main tree in our our painting. So now we'll come to the tree at the behind of this tree. So here you can see the same color applying, same color. Look, gambuge, yellow ochre. You can take little bit lemon yellow, or even you don't have to use this much is enough. So the color is lighter because this tree is at the back. Here I am taking the scarlet lake. I'm using the same color that you use for the closer tree, the closer one. The far one also I'm using same color, but taking more water so that color looks lighter than the closer one. The far one always lighter than closer one. Take the burnt sienna color. So this way some touch on the top also, but I always will follow that. So my color should not be dark than the closer one. So you can see. Now take burnt sienna mixed with Prussian blue, little bit of carmine. So this is the dark color we'll get for some leaves touch for some leaves, and we have colored the trunk also. If the leaves you are drawing at the bottom, then it is darker. At the top it will be lighter. Now take light color. Yes, same rules, but we will not much work. We will not go in much detail because this tree is far. Some here we are doing the dark color means mixed with Apushian blue and red. So you can see the difference. We can see both are same trees, but same group of trees, but color is different. Color there is a difference because they are not in same position, in different position. So this is a tone. I have taken burnt sienna color, and as color is coming from the left side, so right side I have applied the stone. Now take again the carmine color mixed with little bit Prussian blue. Take less water here because we need more dark color for the third tone. So whenever we're making the dark color, we're just giving little bit of touch, very little touch. So you can see some. Now here is also tone, very lightly using at the right side of the trunk. For the tree there is no tone actually. Just you are applying the color. Now take Prussian blue color, camboge, little bit carmine. Again, why we need a dark color, so to take less water, more Prussian blue color to achieve very dark color like a blackish. For tree trunk also, it is working like a tone. Now take water, and here just you need to take a green color, the viridian. Now this is a Prussian blue color. Take little of viridian color. Here just very light, just very minimum touch. Keep this thing on a point, minimum touch. Now take the Prussian blue and the viridian color, same color. You just draw this trunk. This is also trees, but this is very far, and this is also trunk. Take the color very lightly. You can take sap green color also, but same color. You are just in the ground. You are coloring like a tone, so that it shows the tree shades are there. You can see. So here I am showing how the tree color is getting changed according to their position. Now look. Now we are going to draw one more color, one more tree. So here I have taken a viridian green and Prussian blue color, and you can see this is also green color but looking so dark. Now take little bit of yellow color. As I told, the top of the trees always will be lighter than bottom of the trees. So let the color dry so you can understand. So take little bit of brown burnt sienna color and just make. You don't have to overwork on this because this is not our subject, but it is a really good object to focus our subject. Our subject is the front tree, that is yellow shades. Now take light color, very light, with the viridian and cobalt blue. So this tree is more far, so color is getting more light, and you can see. So this way I am trying to show the difference in the color, so that your color doesn't look monotonous. All the color green is not same, or all the tone should not be same. It is the shades also. The things are closer to you, that shades will be darker. The things are far. So I have taken a sap green color, and look, there is all shades. Light is coming from the left sides, the shade is coming on the right sides. So here is more shades as there is a leafy tree. But look, the tree is far. Here also I am using shades, but that will be lighter. I have taken more water. Now see, now take a viridian green color. Viridian green mixed with carmine. Viridian and Prussian blue and carmine. I need a dark color. I'm making the dark color for where? For close. At the close. Here is some grasses. I want to show this is so close, so color will be darker. So you can easily understand the differences of the color. You have to follow that. Now we'll take the lemon yellow color mixed with green, so it is looking a sap green color, sap green. So here and it is very far, very lightly I have used the color. Now take dark, make the dark green color for the shades. I want here the color looks darker. Now take little light color. Yes, this is the shades. You can understand the color is getting lighter the more it is going far in the picture. Now here just little dark color, so because the land is getting down, so land is is getting down, so here is dark portion. The light is not coming that much over here. So I hope you have understood. Your next video will show the water when river coloring. River always color at the last. So you can see the differences of all the green colors. All the greens color is not same. It is differs place to place. That is called color perspective. Now is your turn. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.